Guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to build this website. Now basically the source code is for free. You don't need to pay anything out over the source code. You're going to get the source code completely for free. So I'm going to walk you through how the website looks like right now. So let's log in. You can see the content on the screen, right? So that's where you can get contact to get access to the source code for free. So this is the dashboard. You can see how it looks like when you asking me to pay some certain amount, right? Because I'm just make deposits. You can see we have um we have file case, consignment, investigation, legal action, fund, blah blah blah. So let me go to my case. I currently have one case going on. You can go to fee requested. So admin request fee. I've made payment already. So I think it's on pending. So it's kind of very easy to make payments. You make payment and well, disbursement fund. Yeah, well, that's when the case has been filed and completed. Yeah, admin disburse the funds to user. So just like we have filed case, we have the counsel assigned, we have investigation, legal action, fund recovered, clear for disbursement and close. There, that's when you successfully also you can increase the percentage progress from the admin. So it is your profile. So I'm going to log in admin now so you see how it looks like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video for more content related to this. And source code is free from the admin. From source code is free. You can you can come to my DM. Just tell me if you like the video, comment, click notification bell. I'll give you access to the source code. This is the admin dashboard. You can see the overview. We have three clients. We have one active case. We have one pending fee. And we have disbursement. Yeah. So you can see the three clients here. We have a case. So you can also increase the percentage of the case, just like we saw in the user dashboard. The percentage of the case, you can see that, right? So we can also increase change the position for it to be in county assignment or legal action, blah blah blah. Also, we can also create a new case for a client that don't know how to create a case. Yeah. So fee requested, we can request for a fee from admin. Currently, we have only just three users. You can see. Yep. You select the linked case and request for a fee. Currently, we have one pending payment. Remember, I told you guys that payment is pending. You can see it currently pending. You can see the case. So we can change it from pending. Let's make it paid now. And click on save. So it's going to be paid. You can see. We have disbursement. That's when the case has been completed. We can actually disburse funds to that user. Also, we have testimonial. Now we can upload testimonial from the admin. Yeah, I can go to the homepage. You're going to see when we add testimonial, you see it here. So get our pay here. Yeah. Yeah. Finally, one of the most amazing things that you can change different. You can change the setting. Yeah, you can change the color of the full entire website depending on what you want. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video because I'm going to show you guys how to do this here. And getting the source code is completely free. All you need to do is for you to just subscribe, click the notification bell, come to my DM. You see my number on the screen. I'm going to send you the link to access the source code. Yeah, you can also change the email and or see you can see after changing the color after you change now before your page. You can see the color of the entire website has also changed. You can see change to dark. Yep, you can see. So it's kind of nice. Yep. You can also change the text, but I don't want to change the text. Change the color of text. Yeah, but I don't want to change the text. So that's get access to the source code for free. Check the description for the link to contact me on WhatsApp, or you can contact me on WhatsApp. Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this now. Really. First, you just to get your cPanel. Right. You get a cPanel. So I'm currently accessing my cPanel. So we are going to my SIP and that's my file manager. I'm my file manager right now. I'm going to you're supposed to go to your polyclinic HTML, but I'm going to a subfolder because I'm using a subfolder here. Right. That's what I'm going to be using. I'm using a subfolder. So I'm going to do this. So I click up upload. I'll upload the file from the upload the file. So that's the file, that's just for you we get access to. So you just have to hold on for it done successfully. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Click on share on there to get access to and subscribe so you can get access to the source code for free. You're not paying any time for the source code, it's free. Successfully upload the file already, so just go back or even extract the file. Uh, why is it taking long to extract? Let's just create the database. Let's start your database. Let's just create database. Why it's taking too long to create the file? We're going to search database, just call it recovery. Still extracting. Call it recovery. Copy. I kind of like using the same thing so that I'm not going to forget to put the name or password. And, so, okay, we're done extracting, yes, right? So, with the end, we just copy that. Go to this. We just copy this. We already copied already, so go to our env file. Open the Laravel file, yes. Then go to env, edit. Then we change our database name to that, our database username to that, and our password to that also. So you can also change your phone number. That's my phone number there. You can also change my phone number. That's my the developer WhatsApp number. You can see it there. You can also change the email and then the display phone number at the home screen. Yep, yep. You can see that's the developer phone number there. Yeah, you can change the name of the website here also if you want to. Yeah, save. And you can just go back. Now allow all privileges and click on make changes. Why this is taking too long, we can go ahead. You can just takes too long to load. So we created the database. Okay. We're going to start. We're just going to import our database now. Go to PHP. Uh, go to PHP admin. Sorry, PHP admin. PHP admin. You click on it. Then click database. The that database. Then we import. So we choose file. Choose the file. Import. Now we've successfully imported the file already, right? So we just need to see website right now. So you can see the website load up completely. So we successfully designed the recovery website. You can see it has all function and everything.